Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing tools and making the controller safe to work on. You need Torx T8 and T6 drivers plus pry tools. Once done, remove the batteries and any attached USB cable to prevent shorts. Make sure to keep screws organized and remember button orientation, because reassembly depends on that. You're opening the case now to access the internal LED assembly. Move methodically and keep small parts in a labeled tray so you won't lose anything. Once inside, you'll expose the PCB and find the ring LED or light bar that provides the player light. Carefully desolder the stock LED or connector. This is why you test the replacement off the board first to confirm orientation and brightness. You then install the new RGB LED module, or strip, routing wires away from moving parts and securing them with heat shrink or low-profile tape so triggers and bumpers move freely. Take your time to seat connectors properly, because poor contacts. You finish by reassembling the controller in reverse order. Reseat the PCB and membrane, position buttons and triggers, and reinstall screws into their original holes to avoid stress. Once reassembled, reconnect power and pair the controller to verify the new light. Make sure colors and effects match expectations. If the LED flickers or won't light, check for cold solder joints, loose grounds, or pinched wires, if needed. Reflow suspect joints and retest until the light is stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.